I just want to have a couple of words about the upcoming workshop, Tantric Breath Exercises, especially what's beautiful about it for women. So, especially for the feminine body, it is so important to help us regulate our parasympathetic nervous system. We are naturally very emotional, can be very chaotic, we're easily moved by situations in our environment. And so for women especially, needing to develop techniques to relax the body and come back into yourself, into your center, is particularly important. And also we work a little bit with freeing our body up through breath from armors, also armors to our sexual energy in the pelvis through breath, and then increasing the sexual energy. Unless the body is in a state of relaxation, it can't really get into deeper states of arousal. So we'll be playing with those things. All the exercises can be done by yourself, and you can also then repeat them and take them home with you and practice at home. The workshop also offers opportunity to do breath partnered, so to share breath in terms of intention following the energy, circulating the breath. But again, we can also circulate that breath inside of us. Yes, so let's breathe together and rejuvenate our vital energy, our reproductive organs, our sexual energy, and our parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest energy together this Saturday. Go to the event section on tasteoflove.com.au.